In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do adjusting entries in QuickBooks Online. Adjusting entries are essential for keeping your financial statements accurate at the end of a month or accounting period. They're commonly used for accruals, deferrals, reclassifications, and other cleanup adjustments so that your reports reflect what truly happened in the period. I'll walk you through the process in QuickBooks Online and share tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, log in to QuickBooks Online. From the left menu, click All Apps. Under the section labeled Other, select Journal Entry. This is where all adjusting entries are recorded. If you don't see it, make sure you have the right permissions or check that you're in the correct company file. At the top of the journal window, set the journal date. For adjusting entries, this is usually the last day of the month or the end of your accounting period. Using the correct date ensures your reports reflect the adjustment in the right time frame. On the first line, choose the account you want to adjust. This might be an expense, revenue, asset, or liability account, depending on what needs to be corrected or recorded. For example, you might adjust utilities expense, prepaid insurance, unearned revenue, or accounts payable. Enter the amount in either the debit or credit column based on the nature of the adjustment. As a quick guide, expenses and assets generally increase with debits, while revenue and liabilities generally increase with credits. If you're unsure, check your accounting policy or consult your accountant. On the second line, select the offsetting account to balance the entry. This is the account that completes the double entry, such as an accrued liability for an expense accrual or revenue for a deferral adjustment. Enter the opposite amount in the credit or debit column so the totals balance. Use the Memo field to clearly describe the adjustment. Include enough detail to explain the why and when, such as accrual for utilities, December 2025. If you have supporting documents, like bills, schedules, or calculations, attach them to the journal entry to keep your audit trail organized. Before saving, review everything carefully. Confirm that debits equal credits, the date is correct, the accounts are appropriate, and the memo is clear. When you're ready, click Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you need to record another adjusting entry right away. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.